Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on animals that feature on Zambian banknotes. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.
The Zambian currency is known as the Zambian kwacha and ngwe, where 100 ngwe is equal to 1 kwacha. Zambia currently has 6 banknotes and 4 coins in circulation. These are 100 kwacha, 50 kwacha, 20 kwacha, 10 kwacha, 5 kwacha, and 2 kwacha banknotes. 1 kwacha, 50 ngwe, 10 ngwe, and 5 ngwe are coins. The Zambian banknotes have been printed with features to reflect the economy, culture, and history of the nation. The African fish eagle is the main feature or primary recognition feature on all the Zambian banknotes. The following are the animals that feature on the Zambian banknotes. The biggest banknote in Zambia is the 100 kwacha. The animal that feature on the 100 kwacha banknote is a buffalo. A buffalo is a heavy-belled wild ox with back-swept horns. In Zambia, buffaloes are found in Kafue National Park and South Luangwa National Park. The leopard features on the 50 kwacha banknote. The leopard usually hunts at night, spending much of the day hiding in the fork of a tree. In Zambia, leopards are found in the Southern Luangwa National Park and Lower Zambezi National Park. 20 kwacha. The black lechwe features on the 20 kwacha banknotes. These animals inhabit floodplains bordering marshes and swamps. In Zambia, these are found in Bangweulu wetlands. The porcupine features on the 10 kwacha banknote. The porcupine is an animal with many long, thin, sharp spikes on its back that stick out as protection when attacked. They are found all over Southern Africa. The lion is Africa's biggest cat. It is also known as the king of the jungle. It has a muscular, deep-chested body. The lion features on the 5 kwacha banknote. In Zambia, lions are found in Southern Luangwa National Park, Kafue National Park, and Lower Zambezi National Park. The 2 kwacha is the smallest banknote in Zambia. The roan antelope features on the 2 kwacha banknote. Roan antelopes are savanna antelopes found in Western, Central, and Southern Africa. In Zambia, they are found in Southern Luangwa National Park, Kafue National Park, Sumbu, Liuwa Plains, and some other national parks around Zambia that I have not mentioned. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Please, if you enjoyed watching this video, please you give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comment section below. And thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you're the first to know when I post a new video. Bye.